Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today's video is going to be a leather jacket worn 5 ways. So I know it's hard sometimes when you buy something that you've been wanting for a while to think about fits. You're like, I've anticipated wearing this jacket or this thing for so long, and then you get it, it sits in your closet, and sometimes you're just like, how do I even wear this? Can I wear it exactly the same way every time? You can if you want. Sometimes we also get into a little bit of a style rut and we wear that piece of clothing exactly the same way in only that way forever and ever and ever. And maybe this will inspire you to wear your jacket a little bit differently. So these outfits will feature a necklace from the Happiness Boutique. They didn't sponsor this video, however they did send me this necklace and wanted to see how I would style it, so I decided to wear it 5 different ways. Well, not 5 different ways. I'm wearing it around my neck every time, but with 5 different outfits. So this is the necklace. I've got it on its little card thing. This is the necklace. Its chain is long enough to go around my very chunky neck, so it should be fine for you guys too. It features a little moving star, moon, and then the star stays stationary on the chain. It has an extender back here, so it's in gold, but a lot of their stuff I noticed when I was checking out the website comes in silver, rose gold, and gold. And if you look in the description box, there will be a coupon code for 10% off when you spend 19 euros because it's a company based in Berlin. So check that out. There's links and everything for them in the description box. If you don't want to use my link, that's totally okay. It's not an affiliate link as far as I know. So anyway, let's get into the outfits. One thing you should know, I'm not wearing shoes in any of these because when I leave the house, I just shove my feet in whatever shoes are closest and look the comfiest for the day. I don't have shoes for each outfit. Also, no bags are featured because I wear the same bag every day. Outfit number 1 is super casual. It just is jeans, t-shirt, leather jacket, and the Happiness Boutique necklace. Like I said, super casual. This is just like, you know, walking the dog, going to groceries, whatever. And like I said, very chill. Nothing real fancy about it other than the fact that the jeans are ones that got too short in the wash and I chopped off the hem, so they are a little frayed at the bottom, which is, I guess, a look now. And my t-shirt is from Torrid from last year, but I will find a link to an equivalently cool one for you in the description. On to outfit number 2. This one is really simple. It is a sweatshirt dress from ASOS, my Happiness Boutique necklace, and the leather jacket. That's it. Simple as that. Outfit number 3 is a long, fancy patterned skirt. You guys have seen this before. It is from my pleated skirt tutorial, and it's really fun to wear with a plain gray t-shirt tucked in. It definitely brings the casual back to the skirt. That skirt can look, because it's full length and it's a little sheer, and it's made from a fancier fabric, it can look really quite fancy and sort of like gala-esque. And so when you tuck a t-shirt into it, it brings it right back down. Outfit number 4 is the classic t-shirt, all black, jeans, and leather jacket. So this is something I would wear if I was going to see my friend's band play, if I'm going out to a bar maybe, or just something super low-key in terms of night out. I don't go to clubs anyway, so this is like about as clubbing as it's gonna get. I would throw on just basic sneakers with this, probably some dark ones to keep the whole all black vibe going. So the jeans are my new ones from Pennington's that I showed you a week or so ago in a video. I will put it in like a little eye thing in the corner for you if you want to watch it. The shirt is a Torrid t-shirt. I think you might actually still be able to get it. If not, I will link a similar one. It says good vibes on it. So necklace and then leather jacket, of course. And outfit number 5 is not much different from outfit number 4. I'm not gonna lie. This, I don't know where I would wear it, but I want to wear it. Probably, again, super chill bar vibes. Something where I would be standing a lot more, just so you could see the crop top. Otherwise, your crop top tends to blend in with your pants. So, again, Pennington's black jeans that I'm wearing 2 sizes up so they can be high-waisted. Then I have the Rebel Wilson for Torrid crop top on. It's in a thicker, like, ponte material. You can't get this anymore because they don't have that collaboration anymore. It's a few years old. But I will put something similar or just as fun in the description box for you, and the Happiness Boutique necklace, as well as the leather jacket. Alright, so that is my selection of leather jacket 5 ways. This is definitely just all my style. I did not put anything in here that I wouldn't wear myself or haven't worn. In fact, the blue leopard print skirt is something I've worn almost exactly that same way to an event, and I got so many compliments on it, which was awesome and made me feel super cool considering I made it, and I love being able to say I made it. So it's all things that I would totally wear out of the house and have definite plans to. So anyway, that's it for this video. I want to say thank you very much to Happiness Boutique for sending me that necklace. It's very cute. They let me pick out which one I wanted. They also offer free shipping worldwide on whatever you purchase. So that is always incentive for me to buy things, to be honest. If there's free shipping and I'm contemplating buying something, I'm gonna buy it. So, which is pretty dang cool. So like I said, check the description. There will be tons of links in there for you guys. I hope you're not too overwhelmed. And don't forget, there is also a discount code in the description for you from Happiness Boutique for 10% off. And I guess that's it. That's all I've got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. You know, stick around, watch another video if you want. That's totally cool too. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!